Hello everybody, this is Kevin Dunlap, the founder of Optimal Performance Academy, as well as the lead trainer. And let me let you know that we have this upcoming webinar called the Roadmap for Business Success. And in this Roadmap for Business Success webinar, we're going to be covering three main topics that all business owners need to be aware of when they're actually starting or even want to grow their own business. The first one is going to be, who is that ideal client? Who is that person that you're going after, and know exactly who they are so you can stop wasting all your time, money, and effort from going after the wrong people and getting less and less success. So by defining who is your ideal client, even better than you probably think you're doing right now, that way you're going to be able to target the right people and actually grow your business. The second topic that we're going to be covering is, what is their actual problem? Now, they may be coming to you with an actual problem that they think that they have, but you have to determine, is that actual problem their real problem? This could be actually just a symptom of something much larger that you will be solving for them. And then number three, we're going to be covering in, how do you create a solution that you can repurpose over and over again and be able to have at least three different ways of using your actual system to actually grow your business even greater by having these three different systems in place. Now, just to register for the webinar, just go ahead and click on the below button, register for the event. This event is free. It's going to be about 1 hour, and it's going to be at Thursday at 1 o'clock. That is going to be on the Eastern time zone. So that's going to be 10 o'clock in the morning if you're in the Pacific time zone. So go ahead and register below. Again, this thing is free. You'll be getting a lot of information. We'll be giving you all kinds of additional material as well. So go ahead and register for this webinar. I look forward to seeing you there. And until next time, guys, be amazing.